So, mauto no? Gikapoy ko. Sa sigig reply. Sa sigig balik-balik o answer sa inyong mga question. So, kini, makita mo, gi-flash na ako sa taas ang requirements ni 5-1 Talk. So, pag naakaana tanan, pag meron kang ganyan lahat, so, anong gagawin? Makinig. Paminaw. So, una, kailangan mo meron kang diploma or any 4 years course. Okay. And then, meron kang laptop na Core i3 or higher than that. And up next is the Wi-Fi, at least 20 Mbps. And after that, you need a valid ID to fill out or to sign out the link. So, pag meron ka na yan, and then, secured ka na sure mong tanggap ka, go ahead, try to sign up, and then try your luck. So, 50 pesos for 25 minutes po, hindi 20 pesos per 50 minutes ha, baliktad yung pagkakaintindi nyo. 50 kada 25 minutes. Okay, 50 pesos for 25 minutes, inuulit ko. So, aside from that 50 pesos, meron pa siyang incentives range up to 5 to 10. So, kung 50 ka man sa isang klase at merong incentives na 8, magiging 58 pesos yung one student. Ganun po siya. So, yun po yung mga andito sa 5-1 Talk. When you're asking benefits. Okay, benefits. Like that. SSS, pag-ibig, no. We don't have that. But and of course, you also ask about if it's full-time or part-time. So, pwede kang maging full-time and part-time kasi hawak mo po ang oras ninyo. Kung anong oras ka bakante, kung anong oras ka available, pwede kang mag-open, pwede mo lang din siyang i-close. But, if that slot is not AOS or what we call auto open schedule, you can close immediately. Lalo na pag may madali ang kang lakad. Pero, kung yan ay naka AOS, pero gusto mong i-close in advance 2 days or more than that day, you need to check again. Kahit man i-close mo yan gamit shift management, but naka AOS yan, still kusay yang mag-open kasi it says auto open schedule from the word auto. Okay, so if you need to close within that day, mako-close mo yan, no need to check again kasi hindi siya mag-auto open. So when you advance close, you need to check. Okay, and then ano pa bang mga madalas niyong question? Wala na, nasagot ko na. So, kung meron pa kayong mga tanong about sa interview and the process throughout dito sa company ng 5-1 Talk, you can comment your question and I will answer it one by one. Or you can direct message me if you have a question and nahihiya kayong mag-drop sa comment section or sa live ko. So, about sa age limit, wala pong age limit as long as you want to teach, you want the side hustle, and you need to earn. Okay? So, ito yung basic. And then, after that, if meron ka na yan, you can click the link on my profile. Link, not email. Okay? Link. Okay, yun lamang po. Bye-bye!